Hello friends, good morning. Dr. Rijo, Club Orange. As you can see, the Nifty is actually consolidating at this level around the 24,100, 24,200 range. We can see it on the chart also. And the Bank Nifty shows some negative trend today. And Nifty needed to consolidate some more, and the Nifty may go down to 23,600, 700 range. We can catch the market level at that time. Okay, so find some good stocks for you and go for a long. But till then, please wait. Don't be jump into the market right now. Please wait. For today, I think the market will break a 24,000 range and go to 23,900 range, possibly. So that you need to be conscious and don't go for any huge buy as of now. And also you can take some indicators like MACD crossover and also Ichimoku cloud. It's a good indicator. So take the Google, search it and try to study about Ichimoku cloud. That's a good chart indicator, gives you some views on prediction on the market. And so as of now there is some consolidation at the current price, and the Nifty can break 24,000 range. So friends, just go a long buy when the Nifty reaches 23,700 range. Okay, before that never go for a bulk buy. That's all for now, and all the best. I hope your valuable suggestions, your supports and all. Please comment if there is any wrong in my assumption, and also give your valuable comments also. Thank you very much. Bye.